Thank you very much. This one. Thank you very much, Sri Piyush Bhai, chairperson for this today's session. And I was just trying to understand the people who are sitting in the dais, how relevant they are. The Piyush Bhai, the role model. It's a role model for not only for Gujarat, it's for India. Now it's a role model that also their case study itself is a subject for discussion and to take our thought forward, idea to reality. Again, GVPL Arvindji, I was listening from him. As a funding, without funding, you cannot think over. Now question is funding. If you go for a fund from your brother, then he will give, but friend, he will ask why. If you go for some other, he will why and how. And it will go on detailing. Therefore, if you go to the GVPL, they will list out, I think, 10, 15 questions also, definitely. So funding, there is so many ways of funding, so we are also listening. I'll come back on that. But again, Sri Jitendra Ji is representing Australian Commission. Now question is the business is no longer is restricted in one place, not even one country, even but not necessary that people from the other parts of the world, they're coming India for investment. Interesting part, many of the people from Gujarat also invested in Australia. And many of the people now I'm finding, even Arvind, Raymonds, many series of people I'm finding that they are going Ethiopia again for investment. The question is that if we are not competent, then business can move any parts of the. Now, Sri Chandramouli ji, I was again, he's very closely connected when I have learned from Gujarat because my experience and it's more on technology and of course business management, but again from the different parts of the country. But when I came in Gujarat, one of the people, when we are discussing the people who are the people who can talk on expertise on the entrepreneurship, and Mr. Chandramouli's name was in the top of the list. And therefore, I also started learning many of the things because on the grassroots, so many other things. What Mr. Arvindji also was mentioning many times, the idea is one, but the reality when you go in the process, it will be something different. So therefore, he was also suggesting the more idea, maybe sometimes, is a confusing. But question is, until unless you go to the phase one, you cannot understand what should be really in the phase two. And there is possibly the entrepreneurship, what I could also learn from Gujarat. I say I have learned, I am also sharing with Chandramouli ji. Yes, I have also learned from the Gujarat as an experience in various places. I'm in the government industry department where you are also supposed to possibly know in the whole system because when you are making the idea is in the reality, in the process, and industries commissioner is the implementing authority. Now there, how the government is also functioning, that is also major part to understand. Because even if you are ready to start something based on the lot of demand and supply and old calculation, if you really go, you will be stuck up so many bumpers also you are going to face. And without understanding those kind of bumpers, you may be in trouble. If you know it properly, there will be no problem. You make it slow and do it and go ahead. See, coming back to straightway, this part, one is I was finding the Make in India also it is given. The first one is of skill, speed. Now the Make in India thought the skill is a must because now the skill is not a very rigid parameter. It is a dynamic kind of. Today what sort of skill is there, tomorrow it will obsolescence were there. Previously we were talking for the technology obsolescence. Now humans obsolescence also we have started discussing. Because today to you it may be relevant, tomorrow you may not be relevant to fulfill the requirement of the place or the country, or industry, or business, anywhere. Therefore, it should be, again, a skill is a major focus, and therefore, again, another part comes, if you start with a small, no problem, but until unless you scale up, what I was listening from Piyush Bhai, the example that one by one he goes on, no? That Bombay example he was also giving, no, that's only 35,000 this customer. No, we'll have to do something, you'll have to go on enlarging this. Otherwise, the question will come on the sustainability. You may grow, but question is the sustainability is very difficult because now you cannot ask anybody, stop coming in our place. Even Chinese people are roaming in Ahmedabad all around. If you go through, there's a very interesting situation that we never thought the Chinese people will move across the city. They are also looking for opportunity. And so therefore scale fast, but again the scaling also should be in speed. You cannot do whatever tomorrow I'll do. Now, whatever you want to do it fast. Otherwise, you'll be out on the system. Another part we are finding major on the Make in India, zero defect and zero effect. Anything, it is a zero defect means primarily we are talking for the quality product. Quality does not mean all the time high quality. It is a desired level of quality. But that should be a consistency maintaining. I was just trying to understand with Piyush Bhai also how they maintain the consistency of the quality. So many changes, so many variables. But people may expect and the consistency of the quality and the best quality and the desired level of quality. Other parts is that anything you want to do it today, that question is the impact of the environment is a very much important. You cannot start doing your activities without taking for understanding the requirement of your surroundings. You have to understand various issues and concern on that. And therefore, it is a zero effect. Means you are doing something that should not create a sound pollution. You are creating something that should not create a chemical pollution, or maybe even IT related, so many other issues are coming that how to sort it out. That is also another part. Coming back to this whole part is, we are talking basically on the entrepreneurs. Today is the more of entrepreneurship awareness. So I thought what's our objective? Ultimately, it is the breaking the psychological barriers. Now there's so many things is coming. I have just got my MBA degree. Why not to join a corporate sector? Why I should start my business of my own? I was listening to Chandramouli ji also. He was telling not necessarily you should become an entrepreneur. There is even the industry corporate level, people are asking you should act like an entrepreneur even within the organization. That is called entrepreneurship. That is called entrepreneurship. So possibly you start thinking both sides. If you don't do, no problem. If you don't do today, tomorrow you may start thinking doing something. But keep it in mind, this is a subject of not only interest, it is a primary requirement for every professional in the society. Now, again, the two organizations in the Gujarat, you may be interested to know because you are going to implement various thought process. One is Indexed B. I'm representing there. I'm working as a head of project and technology division. It is a promotional body, basically to attract investment in the state. That is our work. Is a big process. And other side is the Center for Entrepreneurship. It is the oldest organization in the thought of entrepreneurship in the country. Even I was sharing that EDI came afterwards. EDI is a national perspective. In our case, it is even how to make a thalawala into dokanwala. Now think of this thing, not necessarily you should have an ample of money. Even for where you are, let us understand I'm in this place, and now how to empower ourselves and then make it something of my own. So the organization also, it came out from a financial institute, because I was listening Arvindji on the financial part. It is also GIIC, equity participation also he was mentioning. Say, look, many of the industrial development in Gujarat, it is a risk-oriented initially. They did not come so easily. Therefore, GIIC was the equity participator on behalf of government. And then, of course, so that was the situation, but possibly, again, it is being reworked. But one thing it came in the mind, that funding is not the only solution. Funding is not the only solution. Therefore, this organization was created by that financial institute, which is known as Center for Entrepreneurship. Why I'm sharing this thing, that background of the thought of Gujarat is also very interesting to understand how Gujarat has become entrepreneur and a successful entrepreneur, not only in the country, in the whole world. Because that understanding and the thought process, that's a, sorry, this one, no? Yeah? Yeah. Uh, coming back to the many people come to us and say that it's a very complicated kind of thing, startup, and we are not understanding all part of this thing. Not necessarily you should do for all the complicated business. There are different kind of business, very simple way, many things you can do. You are first generation entrepreneur. You can think over a very small thing. That series of that sort of things you may have to understand, and thousands of that kind of opportunities are emerging. So you choose on this thing. But this is I will not discuss on this thing. This is the part of the entrepreneurship. It is a complete training process. There is a various studies, if you refer, on the entrepreneurship and success story and failure story. Even International Labour Organization, their failure story, I was referring, every third person of the failures in the world also, it is not because of fund, it is because they are not properly trained. They just started. Either the family-wise that business, they could not take it forward, or they are not trained in the whole part. Therefore, this concept, we are also in a structured way, that training process we are doing it, even in Gujarat, in a different. I have not discussed that part. And then how to become a successful. It is not the funding. It is so many other parameters needs to be understood. And ultimately, that situation should come that after training, mindset should be, maybe I am cat, but it should look like a lion. And that mindset it should bring in our mind. And things is many times people say, this is an example I'm giving. Now, how I am sure that I will be successful? Can you tell me something? Can you give me some reports on the entrepreneurs? It is just like a running bicycle. No, unless you do in certain phase one, you cannot understand what is balancing. So therefore, this is also another part, needs to be understood. Certain things you cannot realize or understand until and unless you go step one. And many times people are misguiding. This is also example. Many, I think Facebook, internet, this sort of figures are also coming nowadays. I'm finding, say, look at how you look at. Now, two persons are looking at this subject in a differently. And one is telling, how many are there? 4. And this side, he says that is 3. Now, question, how your perception on that. So not necessarily it is a copy-paste kind of activities. Be careful. It is not this side. You'll have to understand on your angle and then possibly calculate on that. This may be the another example. You don't know which direction it is going. Can you say it is left to right or right to left? Both. Your perception. So both are correct. This is also many times I've seen this one. This figure, I think many places it is there. I took it in some different way. You are thinking this is okay, this is the innovative way of lifting that man, that's correct. But in real picture is something different. You never thought on that, but originally it was like this, right? But therefore, I say in this entrepreneurship, based on my understanding and experience, many people, youngsters, they come to us, know that recession is going, our business management, that it is being analyzed, so this is not the right time. There is no right time for the business. Every time is best time to start a business. You'll have to understand, adjust yourself on the situation. Therefore, we say you will never get anything done. Or if you go on thinking like this, you will not get the best time, right? And ultimately, many things are going to happen. That's why this is also another part. See, you cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can change yourself. That sort of capability and skill needs to be developed. And that is the process we are talking about. And if you are doing that path, then you will be definitely as successful. At least you are sure of 80 to 90% success stories on that. And that's we are telling. Now coming back, the primary question, it comes to your mind, why we should, the whole nation is talking for the skill and entrepreneurship. Why suddenly? Never. Even during our time, it was, okay, some people are doing, but question this, even the school, college, every place is the skill and entrepreneurship. It is why it is being discussed. This is that situation. Now look at India versus other states. Some of the states I have kept it, the statistics. One is demographic. Demographic advantage for India, we have got the largest working class of people, more than 70–75%. Even if you go to the China, they have got the more than 60% become old old people, they don't have the people to work. That is the issue it is coming up. Now, even the developed nation, you saw that Germany, Australia, even Japan, at least 10 million people, they are working people, they are facing shortage of people to develop. How they will take the things forward? And other side, we have got the largest domestic market. Largest domestic market. And that's why many countries, they are trying to come over here, getting it, this thing. It is happening. But the question comes to your mind again. When so much opportunity, why to bother? Bother is that if you don't take this opportunity, somebody else from the other parts of the world will come and snatch this opportunity. That is the worry part of the whole nation, and even definitely for the Gujarat. Just for a reference, I'm telling you, now you know that China has taken almost every business, even the developed nation, even our developing nations also. Even that भगवान का जो मूर्ति है, वो भी आप देखेंगे सब चाइना से आ रहा है. पूजा करने के लिए जो भी चाहिए वो भी चाइना से आ रहा है. मैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा कौन सा चीज़, इवन स्टार्टअप कोई किसी को आइडिया बताने के लिए मैं कंफ्यूज्ड व्हाट टू डू. एंड दैट इज नॉट इनफ. अगेन चाइनीज दे आर सेंडिंग देयर स्टूडेंट्स लाइक यू फ्रॉम द क्लासेस. नहीं, वो लोग आए हमारे ऑफिस में लाइक दिस यंगस्टर्स, तो ऑफिस में देख रहे नमस्ते बोल रहे हैं. मैं बोला ऑल ऑफ ए सडन चाइनीज वाला नमस्ते क्यों बोल रहा है? तो see these youngsters, can you believe these youngsters came to Ahmedabad at EDI again to learn Gujarati and Hindi. ये तो भगवान को तो ले ही लिया, अभी बाकी था ये. मैं think this is how intelligent language is also, they know it. क्योंकि हम लोग IT बात कर रहे थे, but question is, situation is the IT situation में China was behind us because उसका language का problem है. अभी हर गली पे पान का गल्ला जैसा इंग्लिश का स्पीकिंग बना दिए. Now question, just how they are trying to orient. वो लोग को पता है कि they will be out in the whole system. So how to do it? Now they have taken, I think 500 acres of land they are taking already. We have approved it, but there's no other option. Now you cannot stop anybody in the world. It's very difficult. And they are taking the sun and that huge land, and all the people are coming. Our fear is that what will be about our people. Now question is, if they are not in a position to empower themselves, so much of opportunities, then somebody will snatch this opportunity. Now coming back, this is again our financial situation. We are still better situation in the world. No, even the devaluation and other, just recent publication, I will not discuss on that. See, this is a part, again, another 10 minutes? No? Huh? No problem. See, question is, many people, I ask the people from where you are, I am from Rajkot. Can you just go on speaking for 5 minutes about Rajkot, what the industry and other things? No, I don't know. I know international something, but Rajkot I don't know. That's an issue for us. Understanding your local resources and behavior is also very important. You have got the huge market, not necessarily you will have to go international in the first stage. There's a process to understand. Just look, this is some kind of things where we are on the top. All these things, we have got the largest coastline, therefore salt, chemical, petrochemical, then groundnut, cotton, so many. I said where we are the top, not only in the country, in the world. The denim manufacturing, we are now the largest we have become, because the Germany, one largest company, they have now closed. We are the largest producer of cotton now, superseding both China and USA. So everything is happening. Even we are today superseding China also certain places. Series of things I can share with you, but if we are not ready, then why I'm trying to tell you the understanding of the local resources. Many of the business, if you go through, it's a 60 to 70%, it is the cost of the resources only. If you are confident on your resources, your sustainability will be better than many things. Even China may not be in a position to compete. That's the kind of things you'll have to understand. And, but resources does not mean the maximum utilization does not mean like this. Again, maybe some Facebook or something, it must be there. Somebody might have said, I thought, we are not talking for that sort of utilization of resources. No, the cost competitiveness. अभी एक bunch of flower का, हाँ, अभी एक bunch of flower कितने beautiful सब flower दिए थे, मैं सोच रहे थे मैं लेके जाने के लिए सोचा, बहुत जगह पे मौका नहीं मिलता लेके जाने के लिए, तो मैं सोच रहे थे ए टाइम में एक सरकारी, हमारा सरकारी कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस वो लेवल का नहीं चाहिए, मैं ये बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। राजकोट में ही है, राजकोट में एक सरकारी प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, जो प्रोग्राम में फ्लावर दिए जैसा डायस में ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स, तो मैं सोचा आज तो फ्लावर तो लेके जाएगा घर में, मैं तैयारी होके बैठ, थोड़ा बाद में देखा फ्लावर लेके चला गया। मगर फिर मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ फ्लावर इधर लेके गया नहीं कोई, जस्ट आई वॉज वॉचिंग। मगर वो सरकारी प्रोग्राम है, मैं भी ज़्यादा कमेंट नहीं कर सकता, मैं भी पार्ट ऑफ देम, तो मैं तो भी पूछा जो ऑर्गेनाइजर, भाई मैं क्योंकि मैं कॉन्फिडेंट लिए थे आज तो मैं लेके जाएंगे फ्लावर, तो पूछा वो फ्लावर किधर है, इधर था, तो बोला नहीं साहब वो तो रेंट में लाए थे। हाँ फ्लावर भी, तो मैं सोचा दैट पार्ट, तो cost competitiveness should not be that extent. No, that's again the resource we are talking. Now sometimes we are excessive on that part. That is, it should be organized, school, and that part of things. Don't refer it because I'm in government. That government will take an action on me. How you are dare to say this guy? Okay, but say again a business, just an example. Even let us talk for the domestic and the happenings in the state itself. Now, concentrated on that state, Gujarat, what are the industries? I have just tabulated the 80% of the manufacturing activities. That does not mean you'll have to go for manufacturing. But can you connect yourself on these kind of activities? These are the certain clusters I'm trying to show it. This itself is a different discussion. But for you, you can do it. You can take a decision. You can take a call, which things I'll do. And this, out of 100, I'll concentrate only this 5. Out of 5, I'll consider only these 2. That's all. So this is a process, and that sort of information are readily available, which was not there during our time. I would have become entrepreneur. I was sharing with Piyush ji. That time, that's why is a big problem to get a small information itself. And again, I was listening the assessment. No, assessment, and the proper assessment. Now, it says for a fair selection, everybody has to take the same exam to climb the tree. Sabko ye diya hai job. Now you'll have to decide. And that is happening. That is happening. That means here, the message, say whatever you are doing, not necessary that should be copied by someone. Again, the person's ability and other parts is different. Just concentrate, analyze yourself. That is again an achievement motivation. I think Chandramouli Saab will be the right man to take how to understand yourself. That is a process. That is a process. And you can today. And coming back, I think he says I should say something about startup also, because the whole country is talking. Anybody can tell me a startup, what is startup, and or a different between normal small sector industries? What is the difference? What is something unique? Anybody? What is startup? Otherwise also business is happening without startup also. Now, what is startup? And anybody can say? Yes, just stand on. Unique way of dealing your business. Okay, right? Any other? Anybody? Startup, stand up. Prime Minister is telling. Yes.
A couple of people having a different idea, and they arrange funds from various places, and they just start their own business. So that's what a startup is basically.
Okay. Any specific difference between normal, say, SMEs, small scale sectors? What is? Otherwise, also Gujarat mein to chal hi rahe the. So what's something unique we are talking? Why Bangalore is always claiming that they are the startup capital? No, that's issue is there. Whether we are not doing anything or something it is different. That anybody can any difference? Otherwise, this is also good points. I'm telling any points. No. Okay, let me share on that part, because the policy and other part, it will come before that. I'll give some sequence of how the startup is also happening. Primarily, the difference I was trying to understand what Arvind ji was telling, and what Piyush ji also was telling. This one, Piyush ji was telling he is a very unique part, not only innovation. He says he is creating a different market. That market was not there. अगर नॉर्मल लोगों को चाय मिलता है, वो बोलता है नहीं नहीं, वो दूसरा कुछ डाल के, दूसरा कुछ करके, गुड मॉर्निंग बना के, नहीं, सम इनोवेटिव ने, दैट मार्केट इज नॉट एग्जिस्टेड. से you are manufacturing a garment. Now easy way. Now garment, it is known by everybody. So garment manufacturing. Now garment, it is known. It is not something that now you calculate demand and supply and do it. That's all. But your this thing, investment will not make much difference in the whole part. But if you do something innovative, the question is not only innovative, that you are as if the first time you are entering with that idea. I was thinking that so even my mobile, I was thinking everything is there. So it is manufacturing activity is done. All the parameters now it is including a TV, telephone, everything. What else can be done? I thought उसमें से कोई morning में खुशबू आए, कोई दोपहर में भी एक different ये आए, automatic, this part. So I also feel that kind. Can it be possible to generate like at 12 o'clock, means that khushbu and whole part, it may happen. Now, that's an innovative idea, but there is no market. I don't know the market will be there. So therefore, now two things I'll have to do. That idea, to make it reality, I'll have to develop seller market also, new sellers. I'll have to go different people. Are you ready to take this thing? New idea with a come. And if you come with this project, again, the situation will be that you are as if the first time, maybe some other people also will become, but you have got a direct influence of that market, which is not true in case of garment manufacturing, because it is already existing. आप आया, उसमें से क्या होगा, एक थोड़ा 50-60 और ज़्यादा manufacturing हो, उससे total industry step up. But it's a new idea. But again, issue is the seller market, एक खुशबू part जो है, ये जगह पे चल गया, अहमदाबाद में चला गया, समझो, just as a theoretical I'm thinking. बाद में क्या हुआ, तो नहीं चल रहा है आगे, because you'll have to scale up. Again, the startup is another issue. It is an up and up. What I was listening, Piyush ji, in the tea bags, then other things, and up and up. So I was mentioning this is the startup we are talking. So you'll have to go and up. Now you have referred. Now these things, it is not happening other than Ahmedabad, because other places this already so much of rains is there, or certain is a very cool environment is there. But then you may have some different idea. Either go back to the original, do something value, or you'll have to go in the global other places, where possibly they are looking for this kind of features. You'll have to market. You'll have to market. Now question is many places that issue again coming. That's why angel funding and other part I was listening, because there's a risk. If you go to the bank, they will hesitate. Kya bol raha hai, khushbu. They will not accept you so easily. It's very difficult. Very difficult. Therefore, either you are going for angel fund, or if you are in a position to convince in a proper way, possibly they will accept. But again, I was thinking that even that bottling also, this water bottle and the big bottle comes, can it be possible to do it? That 3 layers. No, the bottle already manufactured has, if you go again start doing, no problem. But it will not something unique. But what unique? No, 3 layer will be there. One is tea, another is milk separate, another is some juice kind of things, and different time I'll take it, this thing, and automatically it will give me reminding that kind of thoughts I was. It may work, these things, but it may not work also. Now question, again my thought may go, can it be possible to make it more colorful and create that kind of thought process for feeding bottles for children, they are playing, they are different time, different taste they are getting, can work. No, that's a continuous development. This is a loud thinking I'm telling. You are doing it, But sellers market, you are developing all that. It is not existed. Just keep it in mind. That's why even the bank is hesitating. किधर है market? Demand supply लाओ. क्योंकि उसको practice है यही लाने का demand लाना ये लाना this part. Bank तो देते नहीं. That's why venture capital, the risk funding. We are talking how you represent. This is a general. This is a general. I will not talk much. Some this flow chart I have given. You can use afterwards. You can ask because I'll have to finish it off in a next 15 minutes, 10, 15. Now, innovative idea. Let me share this innovative idea. He was also mentioning, Arvind ji, ना इन घर में भी ये करते हैं होगा नहीं एक ये है टीवी है अब तो काट नहीं कर सकता है उसको क्या करना इनोवेटिव आइडिया देके उसको ब्यूटीफाई कर दे एंड इट्स एडजस्टेड एंड बेटर लुकिंग ना इनोवेटिव दैट्स एन इनोवेटिव एंड अ सीरीज ऑफ वी आर डूइंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ इनोवेटिव ना सो विदाउट मच स्पेंडिंग क्योंकि मैं बहुत लोगों को देख रहा है इज अ डिफरेंट इनोवेटिव अपना जो स्कूटर है पुराना स्कूटर मेरे पास भी है कोई लेने वाला नहीं है वेरी डिफिकल्ट फ्री में भी देते हैं तो 10 बार क्वेश्चन कर रहा है मेरे को मैं बोला रख दो नहीं सम पीपल इन द विलेज उसको ट्रैक्टर चलाने के लिए वो यूज़ कर रहा है सो मैं सोच रहा है कि लैंड कोई परचेज करके ट्रैक्टर ही चलाना पड़ेगा दैट्स पार्ट द इनोवेटिव दे आर डूइंग एंड this some photograph of Ahmedabad na the one girl look at उसका पास इतना पैसा नहीं है दूसरा ऑटो रिक्शा करेंगे ना तो उसका व्हील लेके चालू करके देखिए how he is going to station or something that's innovative any idea right it is happening in our mindset it is there series of this kind of things this is an issue घर में तो है पहले पुराना जो था वो ऐसा ही था वो टूटता ही नहीं अभी भी टूटता नहीं ना वो सोचा होगा इसको हैमर बना दो और कोई लेने वाला भी नहीं है क्योंकि रिपेयरिंग नहीं होता है कोई चीज़ अभी नाउ इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली हो जाता है रिपेयरिंग अगेन सिचुएशन चेंजिंग सो इनोवेटिव थॉट नाउ आई विल कम बैक टू द बिजनेस बट नॉट नेसेसरी बिजनेस ऑलवेज इट शुड बी न्यू आई वॉज listening to T-Bag and other part na he has made a combination of many things it is called bundle many I need the milk also I need the sugar also I need this thing that is a one way of doing the business already hai in a new concept usko bundle system mein lao you somebody is asking for pencil somebody asking for paper now can it be possible to get a set it's a bundle approach Another thing is that मैं गाड़ी परचेस कर रहे थे उसमें देख रहा 12 लाख में गाड़ी मिल रहा है फिर गाड़ी में मैं बोला ऐसा 2 लाख में भी मेरे को गाड़ी में जाना है बस आना है और कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है अननेसेसरी वो फीचर्स नहीं चाहिए सो रिमूव दैट फीचर्स मेक इट कॉस्ट 1/4 1/10 that's unbundle principle there's a series of ways that the business are happening just go through I'll not discuss each and every part is a series of examples are there and you can do it already you are doing just keep your mind on that just not necessarily every time new idea exist idea how you're making permutation combination based on that and different ways it is happening in the next door you will find it is happening I'll not go through on the details but many people this I thought I thought this business because many people come to us they say what technology I have taken a best technology in Germany and then I did it then who is the taker that I don't know now what to do नहीं ये जगह पे हमारा ये जो विट्रिफाइड टाइल्स जो है एक आया हमारे पास क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट में बैठा है उसका पॉलिसी इशू सपोर्ट सबके लिए डिस्कशन के लिए आते हैं तो वो बोला मेरे को वो पहले ही इंट्रोडक्शन दिया मैं जर्मनी में गए थे साहब उसका साथ टेक्नोलॉजी कोलैबोरेशन मेरा होगा एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग बाकी तो मैं पूछा टेक्नोलॉजी मैं देखा ठीक है वो जो दिखा रहा है वो तो है बट आई आस्क्ड हाउ मच दे से अराउंड से 10 crore रुपीज़ और समथिंग इंडियन इस टर्म्स में मैं बोला भैया ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा देश में तो बना है मैं लॉट ऑफ लिटरेचर इसमें कुछ मेरे को नया तो लगता नहीं है maybe a little bit this way that way and here also in Naroda there is a Central Glass and Research Institute का extension center है आप उधर एक बार जाइए ना, उसमें एक बार देखिए, मेरा ख्याल से है, आई एम ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद देम ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट। तो आके बोला साहब ये तो गलत हो गया, ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी हमारा देश में बन गया, ये तो नोएडा में बनाया ही ये चीज़, और क्या करें अभी। हम बोला वो लोग कितना मंगा है पैसा, वो बोला 10,000 जैसा लगेगा टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफ़र के लिए, और वो 10 करोड़ दे के आए। नहीं, that's what I mean to say, sometimes we are misguided on that. See, not necessary. You'll have to go for international export. We have lot of things within, surrounding, just concentrate. And series of, now you'll have to decide whether एक साइकिल का जो प्राइस है वो प्राइस से मेरे को गाड़ी मिले तो क्या पावर, मगर हवा में भी टूट जाने का चांस है, वो नहीं जो चाइनीज़ वाला, वो भी एक आपको रिस्क तो लेना है। बट इफ़ यू फील आई डोंट माइंड, मैं 6 महीना 1 साल यूज़ करेंगे, बाद में फेंक देंगे, दैट्स नो इशू। नाउ इट इज़ अल्टीमेटली द मार्केट, देयरफॉर फॉर स्टार्टअप दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, this sort of. I'm just trying to sensitize you what are the startup. Now, why Chinese? Now that this whole series of people, regularly delegations are coming. I'm also them with therefore. So I feel that we can do lot of things. Just I was referring, many people, no, China is in top. No, aviation का आप देखिए report, aviation, जो growth of aviation, India का aviation growth कितना है? 28%. China में कितना है? 10.5%. And USA कुछ 5% or something. And total global 7.7. Just I'm sharing this thing near about this thing. What I mean to say, how vibrant our domestic market, just an economic power. ये नहीं है मन में सब लोगों का, चाइना हर चीज़ लगा, वो ले जो लेता है लो, बट सो मेनी आदत है। एक चीज़ मैं बताता हूँ कि मेरा पास दैट टाइम देयर इज ए कंप्लेन इन इंटरनेशनल मार्केट, वो भी 5 साल 6 साल का पहले का, जब भी हम नया एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का बात कर रहे थे, तो कोई आया है हमारे पास, वो सिचुएशन है चाइना में सब केमिकल्स बना के इंडिया से कोई तो डंपिंग कर रहा है, और वो लोग इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट में गया, इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट इंडिया से है, और पता लगा इंडिया, तो आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट कौन है ये आदमी, जो मेरे को तो अच्छा लग रहा है, चलो चाइना में तो हम डंप करके आया, सो दैट इज आवर अचीवमेंट। तो पूछते पूछते पता लगा वो गुजरात का ही आदमी है। हाँ गुजरात का आदमी है, पता नहीं इज अंकलेश्वर, और इसमें जो एसोसिएशन वो भी किरीट भाई तो है, पटेल के साहब, मेरे को याद नहीं है। एक दिन वो आदमी मेरे पास आए थे, मेरे को नाम से मैं तो सबको जानते नहीं, तो मैं उसको बोला देखो भाई ऐसा है, मेरा रेफरेंस के लिए भी चाहिए, कौन आदमी है जो डंपिंग कर रहा है? बोला मैं ही है वो आदमी जो उधर डंपिंग करता है। तो मेरे को अच्छा लगा, व्हाट आई मीन, सो वी हैव गॉट द स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रेंथ सो मेनी प्लेसेस एंड वील हैव टू अडॉप्ट दोस काइंड ऑफ। चाइना को कुछ डरने का कुछ हमारा सवाल नहीं, हम डंप करके आएगा वो जगह पे, समझिए, दैट शुड बी आवर मोटो, आने दीजिए वो लोगों को, एंड दैट शुड हैपन। So I am also, it is also a chemical and a chemical association, they are also coming in a huge way, and so I am also associated with them. What is the city? Can you tell anybody? No, it is in India. Kolkata. Now question, we are not so bad. What I mean to say, there is no need of telling all the time Washington and this, our many places we don't know that we are not bad. We are going far ahead. Even the smart city and other concept we are taking. Definitely, I am also traveling many countries. I have realized, no, we are not bad at least. That is the country, right? And smart city concept, that is also another concept, and creating new direction. Just keep an eye on that. And if you have anything, you can write to me. Anything you are thinking on, I'll get you connected on that. This is the man is doing. But you'll have to take the initiative. And finally, this is a part, I think, Chandramouli ji expertise on the, but the role of mentor is also, has become a very important, especially for startup. No, that is the issue. Therefore, in the government, state government, we have announced a specific policy where we are giving a special support to the institute who are going to work as a mentoring activities for their students to take ideas into next forward. That's a special, at the process, everything. Just a straight away you should not do, you should understand the whole process. Therefore this training and other part, it is happening today. And this is a general in the management also you are going through. But I'm trying to say this is a mentor in the right corner is a very important today's context. There you just find out, even the professor. This is an example I'm giving the state government also. I think January it has announced that how many these villages we have? 13,800. Gujarat, I'm talking about the Gujarat. And there, every villages, there will be in a public place Wi-Fi connection free. See, message is that there is no need that you'll have to come to Ahmedabad or Rajkot or Surat. Even sitting interior part, you can do something of your own. How to do that? Just keep an eye. That's why you are talking about the social entrepreneurship also. Social cause. And you can become an entrepreneur. Now, how to do that? That also, another area, you just look an eye. This is the process, startup process. Now, one by one, you check up. One thing, just, you have said, not necessarily every time you will be successful. But you are live in the future. You are talking for the future, not for today, the future. And sometimes it did not work. Again, the system is you have to go back, again review it, and again find out, and then start up. But India is talking for 1 lakh people in the next few years to come with a new startup. And everybody is talking for this Bangalore and other parts. That is because of still it is dominated by IT and software, followed by healthcare and education. I have seen many people in Gujarat, they are giving training to a developed nation. I said, how come it is possible? It is possible because I have realized, because their cost has become so high for training, they are looking up from the Asian country who can give the online training and education. That is another direction. No, so in a different direction things are moving. I will not discuss, this will be as a reference. You can ask in the process, what next, right? And this is important, the startup policy, when you talk the government of India, then what they say. Now, I said you have developed one idea, and that also you commercialize. Now, question is somebody else from China will copy it and will start it, manufacturing. What you will do? That is a question, again. So there is a risk. So therefore, in a government of India, they say that we want that you make it that on the intellectual property rights. And for expenditure, at least 80% will be provided by government of India. And even the state also, we are giving that support, additional support in addition to that. So look at almost 100% support you can go to, even for this. Then exit, I was listening how to exit on this. See, that also government has permitted that you can exit. Now, it's not workable, so I'll exit. That's not. Otherwise, in a normal manufacturing activity, to exit is a big problem. You'll have to get again a government permission, the system. Government has said no. Even the income tax, 3 years, now even the new budget also, you might have observed, new budget also they have mentioned, there is no income tax, at least for 3 years, possibly for 5 years also. So series of things, if you go through, all these things are primarily is to promote startup. And if you go through all these parameters, you yourself will take a decision. Yes, I can do this thing. That means, what are the hindrances creating? Already it is accepted by government of India and it is started, right? And even the government of Gujarat. Now coming back, government of Gujarat, what we are doing? We are the first state announced the financial support to the mentor. All the 12 institutes we have already supported. They should give a support as a mentor to the ideas, the best ideas they should create. And that who is the innovator or that idea, the students come out, we are funding them 10,000 rupees per month for 1 year. Is a sustenance allowance as a stipend, because there is a risk you will be hesitating what to do, not to do, that sort of stuff. This is a unique support of the state government from the industry department we have started. Just to look at it. And then question is, that part also. Besides that, when you have done something in the series of this thing, the issue is series of supports are there. Series of support, even the interest subsidy, even the capital subsidy, and even for certification subsidy, all the subsidies, full of subsidies for the government of India and the state government. Only thing, you should come forward. You should come forward, and that's an expectation of the whole nation and for the state. You come forward and start something. That is again the Gandhiji's speech I was referring. He says at least start, attempt is to be done, anything. Otherwise just I cannot do, why you should say? And so many things now, young, this, and that's why I mentioned even the social entrepreneurs, your mindset should not be only to earn this thing. You should feel, yes, I will give this roti rozgari at least for 10 people in my nation, in my community. That is my achievement. 10 लोगों को मैं रोटी रोजगारी दे रहा हूँ. That is my target in my life. That is your achievement. And बाकी तो ये तो सर्विस हम भी कर रहे हैं, आप भी कर रहे हैं. What is your achievement? Achievement is आप 10 लोगों, क्योंकि सबको मौका नहीं मिलते हैं पढ़ाई करने के लिए. कितने लोगों का, मैं अभी एक इसमें गए स्टेट बैंक में, झगड़ा हो रहा था. एक लेडी गांव से ही लगा सर पे, अराउंड 50 ईयर्स ओल्ड. वो काउंटर में वो जमा किए पैसा जमा किए, और काउंटर वाला बोल रहा है आपको लिखने को नहीं आ रहा है क्या, ऐसे फेंक दिए. और वो जो लेडी है वो बोल रहा है मैं कस्टमर छू. अरे कस्टमर छू, तुम्हारा जवाबदारी है कैसे लिखना दिखाने का. और मैं बोला इट्स अमेजिंग. That is the right approach. That is the approach. That sort of grooming is required. Entrepreneurship जब ये वो लेवल पे आप नहीं गए, तब ये बम्पर भी देख के डर के वापस आ जाएगा. And if you are in a position to develop this thing, वो तो अनपढ़ मैं देखा वो लेडी, मगर उसको देख के मेरे को इतनी अच्छा लगा. अरे yes, that kind of things we are expecting. And if you can bring of that sort of attitude, I can assure you there will be no problem. You will be definitely successful and whole world will be yours. Thank you very much.